In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 10 in just a few simple steps. If you're using Windows 10 and want a faster, more familiar, or more feature-rich browser than the one that comes pre-installed, this guide will walk you through the whole process from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. Windows 10 already includes Edge, so you can launch it from the Start menu or from the taskbar if it's already pinned there. Once Edge opens, move up to the address bar at the top and type Google Chrome Download. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the search results, and your next goal is to open the official Google Chrome website. Make sure you choose the official Google page and not a random third-party download site. That's very important because third-party websites can sometimes include outdated installers, extra software, or unsafe downloads. After you open the official Chrome download page, look for the button that says Download Chrome. Click that button and the installer file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, it may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded setup file. You may see a Windows security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. After that, Chrome will begin installing automatically. In most cases, you won't need to do anything else while the installation runs. Just let it finish and within a moment or two, Google Chrome should open on your Windows 10 computer. From there, you can sign in, import bookmarks, and start browsing right away. If you want, you can also pin Chrome to your taskbar or set it as your default browser later in settings, and that's it. You've now downloaded and installed Google Chrome on Windows 10. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.